if anyone was wondering, you can fit about 4 water bottles in the side cubby holes. And I have this cup holder thing that I added where it adds these rubber things to hold the drinks more tight so they don't like shake and rattle around. So I can actually shove one of these like Gatorade type drinks in there. This is actually the Costco one. I think this is a scam call. Oh, give me a second, I'll be back. Alright, and if you're wondering here, I was able to just barely fit 4 of these in. There is a light inside, so you can see. I didn't try checking the glove box. There's stuff in there, so let me take that out real quick. I don't know about the glove box. Let's see, can you put stuff that big in there? Okay, so here you can see I fit 4, but you have to put it in a weird way. And you can maybe, if you really wanted to, fit 2 in the... No, you can't fit 2 of those in the glove box. Can you fit 1? Yeah, you can fit 1 in there. Okay, well, I don't know who would put drinks in their glove box. But if you wanted, you can. Alright, then I got this. And I could have almost fit 4, but the problem is this, the cigarette lighter, whatever, 12-volt thingy is in the way. So if I try and put this one, it's too tall. So you can fit 3, just in case anyone was wondering. I don't think I'm going to actually leave these things in here, at least not long term. I'm going on a road trip, so I figured I'm going to need something to drink to stay hydrated. So we got that. We got a bunch of waters. If we get stranded or something happens, we got lots of stuff to drink. Alright. I'll probably put one of each in here. If you're wondering what my favorite flavor is, probably the blue one. And then probably the red one. And I don't know about the yellow one because I haven't really drank that one. But there we go. Hopefully that thing doesn't leak out. So here you see how I fit 4. I have to put it like that, and then 1 can go diagonal, and we actually have a yellow Gatorade, so Gatorade, and it fits like that. And then we can close that up. There we go. Then we got 4 in there. I'm going to leave one of the orange ones out because, wait, what did I do with the other one? I thought I brought one of each flavor for each. We got the blue, red, and yellow in here. Okay, we'll close that. Alright, here we go. And we got, oh, we did get 4 in there. Okay, so we got all of those. And then we got an orange one out here, which is my least favorite. If you know anything about me, when I drink stuff or eat food or whatever, I like to save the best for last. So usually what I do is I finish up all the one that I don't like first. That way I get the better taste flavor in my mouth when I'm done. Alright, anyways, I guess that prevents me from using the USB-C ports. But I do have a USB-C cable here. Right, I guess I'll throw that in the glove box for now. And yeah, so ready for road trip. I'm actually going to visit my sister. And we'll see, I have to bring, she wanted me to bring her some stuff. Oh, I forgot to check in the glove box. Oh yeah, the USB thing goes up with the whole box. But yeah, that's pretty much it. The back doors also have 4 waters in it. Did somebody drink my waters? What? Who's taking my waters out of my car? We didn't even go on a road trip yet. I think someone just took the waters. Alright, anyways, I guess I'll fill those slots with more Gatorade or something. But yeah, see you all later. Bye. Oh, and just in case you were wondering about the little wells on the side here, you can see how many things can fit in there, and there's still room here, so it's not even like flush with this yet. I can throw in more stuff if I wanted to. So yeah, you can fit all those drinks in there. And if you get little like rubber cubby things, I guess technically you can put like ice and stuff and use it as a little cooler. But if you use something that's thin, keep in mind the condensation can build up underneath and it can get wet around it. So, but yeah, you could technically use this as a little storage cooler space. Somebody should make like a little ice box that you can put stuff in there. That would be kind of nice. You can have it on both sides. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you all next time. Bye.